Well, dear friends, now I am going here to discuss surface energy of liquid. Actually, general term to fluid, but I take here especially liquid. Suppose here a liquid film container, and I told you that molecules of liquid are held together, and that is why by force of attraction, which is the nature of, which is called also van der Waals force, which is weak force, and that is attraction force. So for every molecule attracted by other molecules. Now the range, there is a range of 10 to the power minus 9 meter. यानी nearly 10 angstrom. A molecule is attracted by all molecules present in the sphere. Force of attraction causes negative potential energy. Negative potential energy. You know, I have taught you in gravitation that potential energy of body on a surface minus G M E M upon R E. It is because of gravitational force between the body of mass small m and earth. Similarly, a molecule which is attracted in all direction has some negative potential energy, and it is attracted by all molecules, and almost the energy of all molecules inside liquid is the same. But when we come on the surface here, this molecule is not attracted equally, it is more attracted downward, net upward force. So force is reduced here. Due to reduced force, reduced attraction force, the potential energy of this is negative, less negative than this. Less negative means it has more energy than this. So I can write here, if we consider a molecule of liquid inside a liquid as shown in figure. You can write here figure A1 at point 1. At point 1, the molecule is attracted by its neighboring molecule. You can say like this also. Molecules. The negative force, the force of attraction, causes some negative potential energy. Of the molecules. Actually, negative potential energy. When energy is negative, it means the particle is associated by force of attraction. You will learn there is a term binding energy, and this fact is understood. To evaporate, to boil a liquid, we need heat of vaporization. For water is nearly 540 calories per gram. So that energy negative, when it becomes free, it has no potential energy, zero energy. If it is less, but they keep on moving also. But the amount of energy required to boil 1 gram of water we need 540 calorie of energy. So this molecule has a negative potential energy. Here, this is a molecule. This is a sphere. Don't get confused. This is a molecule. A molecule to the center of this sphere, whose radius is 10⁻9 meter. Now, a molecule at surface is not equally attracted. So, it has less negative potential energy than the molecule exactly inside the liquid. Less negative means, it means potential energy of molecule on surface is little higher than the energy of molecule inside. Hence, the molecule on surface has more energy than the molecule inside. This molecule here will have more than this, and it is nearly half of this. This is half of this. Here, twice of this. The molecular energy is nearly twice of this because it is half force of attraction. So this extra energy, of molecules lying on surface is called surface energy. So I think you might have got concept of surface energy. So if we increase surface of liquid, more molecule will be coming on the surface, and then we can calculate that energy, surface energy. In books, actually it is written as energy per surface of liquid is called surface energy. So I think you have got why the molecules on surface has more energy, because this is not equally attracted in all directions. It is air here, molecule inside, exactly inside, are equally attracted in all directions. So it has more negative energy than this one. Now I will drive here one thing more here. What is surface of liquid? Actually, molecule of liquid on surface are in random motion. So it is there is no perfect surface. On an average, we assume this is surface. Molecule on surface or inside liquid are in random motion. So there is not a perfect surface of liquid. Now I come to how to calculate the surface energy of liquid. Expression for surface energy. in terms of surface area. Suppose here we have got a film of liquid like soap bubble. We have a soap bubble and we have this frame. On this frame, a rod which can slide over these arms here can be pulled outward with constant speed. And here we obtain a thin film of liquid. Thin film of liquid we obtain here like a soap bubble. You might have seen soap bubble in soap solution. And it is easier to make film of soap solution. This is a PQ is the rod, length of PQ is L. This length is L here. Yesterday student came to me and asked me, sir, use Hindi also. भाई हिंदी में क्या कहूँ मैं इस बात को? भाई सिंपली एक वहाँ ये रोड है, फ्रेम है, ये स्लाइडिंग रोड PQ है, ये एक फिल्म ऑफ ए लिक्विड है. अब due to the surface tension, if I usually use surface tension T of the liquid, this rod is pulled by the liquid this way, and in all directions the liquid is applying. Because every system remain in state of lowest potential energy. Lowest potential energy. So every liquid surface try to reduce area. Actually, अभी बताएगा larger the area, more the energy. Now, if we pull it outward, say I carry it at position, हमने इसको खींचा P dash Q dash. Let Q dash is equal to delta x, distance moved. So if we pull it by force F with constant speed, then work has to be done against this force acting on the rod PQ due to surface tension of liquid. So here let in figure a sliding rod PQ placed on frame. That in figure, a sliding rod PQ is placed on frame. We obtain a thin film. Of a certain liquid of surface tension capital T. If length of rod PQ equal to L, then inward force on rod PQ due to surface tension that F will be 2TL. Why 2TL? There are two surfaces, one over the two surfaces are there. One above, other below. It is a film thin. This is a thin film. Two surfaces above and below. So 2TL. Now, if we want to increase the area, if we want to So if we want to increase the surface area of film by pulling rod PQ with constant speed. Why am I talking about constant speed here? If speed will increase, if speed will increase, kinetic energy will increase. We don't want that energy should be converted to kinetic energy. Constant speed. Then work will be done against F equal to 2TL. If rod PQ moves distance delta x, if rod moves a distance delta x, then work done delta W equal to F into delta x, or it is 2TL delta x. This work done appears in the form of surface energy. So surface energy equal to T into 2L delta x, delta x, and this is what increase in area. So we can write it as surface energy is equal to tension T into delta A. Delta A is equal to 2L delta x equal to increase in surface area. Increase in surface area. From here we get T as T equal to surface energy divided by delta A. So to that way surface energy per unit surface area of liquid is called also surface tension. Therefore, from here, unit of surface tension is joule per meter square also. While defining surface tension, I told you that this unit is Newton per meter. Yes, dear student, there is a table in NCERT book. You are given 10.3 table there. You are given surface tension of some liquid like helium. Helium is a gas, but it becomes liquid at minus 270 degree centigrade, minus 270 degree centigrade per, and its surface tension is 0.000239. Then you get 2.39 into 10 to the power 4 minus 4. Water at 20 degree centigrade, surface tension of water is at 20.0727, or you will do 0.073. Mercury has highest 0.4355. Please start studying table of the different quantity also. You must have the idea. Just like If you don't know what is density of water, it means you don't know physics. Density of water 1000 kg per meter cube और 1 gram per centimeter cube. तो इस तरह की बातें अभी इसी टॉपिक पर आई विल टेल यू सम न्यूमेरिकल ऑन दिस सेम टॉपिक. Actually, this topic is difficult to understand. People don't understand meaning of negative potential energy, why it is there. Wherever there is force of attraction, then work has to be done against that, and that work done will be in the form of negative potential energy. Thank you.